Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with a new fun workout, all seated for the muffin top and belly fat, with or without dumbbells. You do not need them to do this awesome workout. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to start with 5 big breaths. All right, inhaling, arms come up. Reach, 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 elongate as much as you can. Hold, and then exhale, arms come down. Very good. 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Make it good. Fill those lungs. Go, go, go. Reach up. And then exhale, arms come down. Very good. Next, a torso twist. I love these. You do these standing, sitting. All right, you just keep your lower body still and you just twist your upper body. Go ahead, keep your head straight, looking towards me. Nice, good, straight back, good posture. All right, we're not slouched, we're not, kind of leaning in. Boom, long, elegant neck. Chest is up and proud. Everything's connected, so posture is super important always. You're gonna hear me, like a broken record, always say quality over quantity. All right, breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and center. Very good. Last, for our little warm-up, we are going to do a kick crunch. All right, come to the edge of your seat so you have room to move. All right, hands out to the side, and it reaches for opposite foot. Boom. All right, I'm gonna twist a little bit so you can see. Nice straight back, so when we kick up and we're reaching for our foot, we're not going in like this. No, boom. Roll those shoulders back and keep that straight spine, all right? Even if you don't touch your foot, that's fine. Nice, tight, engaged core, all right? So we're not slouching like this. Boom. Tuck it in, close rib cage so we're not, arching like this. Close that rib cage. Using those core muscles. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, our quick little warm-up. And moving on to our workout. Go ahead and grab one dumbbell if you are using them. If you don't have dumbbells, you could always use water bottles or a canned goods in your pantry, all right? Holding it on each end like this, we're doing a high knee twist. All right, so knee comes up and we're twisting to that side of the knee, all right? Down, center, and then the other way. Very good. Keeping a nice flex foot. Moving with intention. Remember that straight spine, so we're not down here. Boom. Open up. Straight spine. Very good. Breathing. Inhale as you come forward. Exhale, twist. Inhale forward. Exhale, twist. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Awesome job. Next, we're doing a lean back, so only with that one dumbbell. You're gonna hold it out right in front of you, and we're going to lean back, using those core muscles, boom, to move with control and intention. So we are not curving in like this. No, nice straight back, and you're going to go lean back with that nice straight spine, using your core muscles to bring you back up. And repeat. Very good. Exhale as you lean back. Inhale as you come back up. Very good. Such a simple movement, but ooh, you're gonna feel it in those abs. Chin up, that's gonna help you keep a straight back so we're not tucked in like this. Open up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and straight forward. Awesome job. Grabbing that other dumbbell for some side bends. Make sure you're on the edge of your chair for this one. Dumbbells, arms to the side, and we're going to move our torso side to side. Very good. As low as you can. So we're crunching on one end and elongating the other. Keeping that good posture. Very good. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you bend. And 3, 2, 1. And relax. Very good. Putting one dumbbell down for Russian twist. Holding it like this again on each side. We're going to lean back a little bit and twist, twist, twist. Going as far to the side as you possibly can, keeping a straight back. All right, if that's not for you today, go ahead and just do a torso twist like we did in our warm-up. All right, straight back, then go, go, go. Very good. Woo! Feeling it in that core. And 3, 2, 1. Center, come up. Awesome job. Grabbing that other one again for a skier tap. This one's fun. This one's interesting. Before I start that clock, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what a skier tap looks like. So, one leg out to the side, one here, tapping the floor, or here, and then you're switching. All right, boom. So this takes your core, this move works your core muscles because there's a second where everything's kind of shifting and you're in the air. So you're using your core muscles to switch sides. All right. So how are we going to use dumbbells in this? Let me show you. All right, starting at one end, comes up to your shoulder, the other one straightens, and repeat. Very good. Breathing. If you need to keep it up here a little bit instead of going down towards the floor for that tap, you can keep it up here. All right, until you feel stable and comfortable to go down, down. Very good, we're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Awesome job. The next one, last but not least, is super fun. We're gonna do Russian kicks. So with the dumbbells, you're gonna hold it up over your head. All right, here's the kick, and you're gonna switch at the same time. Boom, boom, boom. So using your core muscles to switch, to hold your arms up. Make sure you're not bringing them too back here so we don't bend our back. Boom, straight back, and go, go, go. If this is not for you today, go ahead and break it up. Come down first and then kick. Down and kick instead of switching at the same time. Boom, boom, boom. If you really want to challenge your arms, you can keep your dumbbells in front of you. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. First set done and dusted. Woo! I'm already sweating it. I'm already feeling it in my abs. Go ahead, put those dumbbells down for 1 second. Big breath. Alrighty, picking up one dumbbell, starting with our high knee twist in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. Check on your posture. Is our back nice and straight? Are our shoulders pushed down? Chin up. Very good. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten those arms right into lean back. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten, very good. Grabbing that other dumbbell, sitting at the edge of your seat for some side bends. Let's go. Nice engaged core, check in on it, nice and tight, tuck it in. Breathe. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And putting down one dumbbell for our Russian twist. Straight spine, lean back, and go. And 3, 2, 1, and up. Very good. Shake it out. Grabbing that other dumbbell, skier tap. You got this. You can do anything you put your mind to in 30 seconds. Make sure you're not hunched over. Tight core, straight back. Almost there, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, center. Going right into those Russian kicks. You got this, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, relax, and celebrate. 2 sets, done and dusted. Great job. Big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Check on your posture. Is our back nice and straight? Are our shoulders pushed down? Chin up. Very good. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten those arms right into lean back. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Straighten, very good. Grabbing that other dumbbell, sitting at the edge of your seat for some side bends. Let's go. Nice engaged core, check in on it, nice and tight, tuck it in. Breathe. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And putting down one dumbbell for our Russian twist. Straight spine, lean back, and go. And 3, 2, 1, and up. Very good. Shake it out. Grabbing that other dumbbell, skier tap. You got this. You can do anything you put your mind to in 30 seconds. Make sure you're not hunched over. Tight core, straight back. Almost there, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, center. Going right into those Russian kicks. You got this, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, relax. Yes, my people, great job. 3 sets done and dusted. Go ahead, put those dumbbells down for a nice, relaxing, important for our muscles, cool down. Starting with 5 big breaths like we did in the beginning. All right, inhale, arms come up. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, and 2. 3, 4, 5. Last one, make it good. And release, very good. Next for some side stretches. All right, side reaches. We're going to reach one side over, 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 over. Hold for a few seconds, and then the other, making sure you do that elongation first. Reach, 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 and then go over. Very good. Holding it here. This should feel nice. Last one. And 3, 2, 1, coming back to center. Very good. Ending it with a good morning, a seated good morning. All right, so we're going to open our stance a little bit. We're going to reach up. All right, nice little back bend, but be careful. You don't, hurt yourself. You know your body, so take it slow. A little back bend, this should feel good. And then we're going to reach down for the floor. Great. Again. Up, 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 open, and reach. Very good. Inhale as you open up. Exhale, coming down. Alrighty, last one. And 3, 2, 1. Slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time, rolling those shoulders back, and head is last. Very good. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Warm up, 3 awesome sets, and then a little cool down, all for the muffin top and belly fat, all while sitting down. How great is that? Please let me know in the comments below what you thought. Which move was your favorite? Did you use dumbbells or water bottles or cans? And where are you tuning in from? I love to see everyone around the world here. It's amazing, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.